Good morning, everyone. It is an absolute honor to be a part of this incredible conference today as a keynote speaker. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chairman of St. Paul Institute of Professional Studies, Father Thomas Matthews, respected Director, Father Simon Raj, and respected Principal, Sister Alice Thomas, for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts with such a distinguished audience. I would like to start by thanking the organizer and convener of the conference, Professor Anant Raj Manoj and Professor Bhavna Sangamnerkar, for inviting me to speak on a topic that is not only shaping industries worldwide but also redefining the very essence of creativity itself, the impact of generative AI on the evolution of creative work. Today, we find ourselves at a place where human creativity, something that has always been deeply personal, intuitive, and uniquely human, is now intersecting with advanced machine learning system. It's a movement filled with both incredible potential and profound caution. So let's start our presentation on generative AI. But before start the discussion on generative AI, we will discuss about the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human learning, comprehension, problem solving, decision making, creativity, and autonomy. Applications and devices equipped with AI can see and identify objects. They can understand and respond to human language. They can learn from new information and experience. They can make detailed recommendations to users and experts. They can act independently, replacing the need of human intelligence or intervention. But in 2024, most AI researchers and practitioners and most AI related headlines are focused on breakthroughs in generative AI, which is also called Gen AI, a technology that can create original text, images, videos, and other contents. To fully understand generative AI, it is important to first understand the technologies on which generative AI tools are built, that is machine learning and deep learning. So generative AI is a rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. It enables machines to create new content like text, images, music, and more. As we see in the figure, in 1950s, artificial intelligence term is come in the existence, which is the human intelligence exhibited by the machines. In 1980s, machine learning come in the existence, in which AI system that learn from the historical data. After that, in 2010, deep learning is come in the existence, which is the machine learning model that mimic human brain function. And now in 2020, generative AI, which is the deep learning model that create original content. So the generative AI is a model relies on the sophisticated machine learning model called deep learning model. Algorithms that simulate the learning and decision making process of the human brain. These models work by identifying and encoding the patterns and relationship in huge amount of data, and then using the information to understand users' natural language requests or questions and respond with relevant new content. As we discuss about the generative AI, we will see in the slide what is the generative AI. It is the AI creation. Generative AI algorithm learn from the massive data set to understand patterns and generate new original content. It is the intimation and innovation. It can mimic existing style or create entirely new one, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Generative AI create images from the text. Various AI models are available like GPT-3, DALL-E can create realistic images, write different kind of creative content and many more. Generative AI, sometimes also called Gen AI, refer to deep learning model that can create complex original content such as long-term text, high-quality images, realistic videos or audios and more in response to user prompt or request. At a high level, generative model encode a simplified representation of their training data and then draw from that representation to create new work that is similar but not identical to the original data. The main AI technologies, which is the key technologies of the generative AI which are used, are the GPT, DALL-E, stable diffusion, etc., which we can use. GPT, which is also called generative pre-trained transformer, is a model which is known for the ability to generate human-like text, translate languages and write different kind of creative content. Like this, DALL-E is a powerful AI model that can generate realistic images from text description. It can create images based on the complex and detailed prompt. Stable diffusion is also a open source AI model that allow user to generate images from text description. It is also known for high quality outputs and its ability to create diverse and creative images. Generative AI is not here to replace artists, writers or musicians. It is here to augment human creativity. AI systems like OpenAI's DALL-E or GPT can generate novel ideas, assist with brainstorming and even co-create artwork or literature. This collaboration between human and machine open up entirely new possibility for innovation. Imagine a designer working alongside AI to generate hundreds of unique patterns in a minute, or writer using AI to overcome creative blocks by suggesting plot idea. These tools expand the boundaries of what possible, allowing creator to focus more on conceptualizing and refining their vision rather than getting bogged down on repetitive tasks. So there are various applications are available of generative AI for content creation, for art, for music and beyond the limit. For content creation, generative AI can create various type of content for social media, for website and marketing material. In the field of art and design, AI powered tools can generate unique artwork. They can assist in design project and inspire new creative directions. In the field of music, AI can create music used for music composition, even entire album, offering new possibility for music creation. And in the traditional domain, generative AI is being used in field like scientific research, drug discovery and even in fashion design field. But there are some ethical considerations of generative AI, although it has a range of benefits also, but some ethical issue and risks surrounding data privacy, security and policies, etc. As generative AI become more sophisticated, we are faced with difficult questions about authorship and originality. If an AI generate a painting, a piece of music or even a screenplay, Who owns that work? Is it the creator who set the parameter and trained the AI? The developer of the AI model? Or is it no one at all? With all its potential, generative AI also raises profound ethical issues. What happens when AI generate art mimics the style of living artists, potentially diluting their uniqueness? How do we prevent the devaluation of creative professions when AI can perform many tasks faster and cheaper than human? Moreover, there is the issue of bias. AI system learn from vast data set that often reflect the biasness inherent in human culture. As we integrate AI into creative processes, we must be vigilant about the ethical risk and work toward building more inclusive and transparent AI system. Now we will discuss about the limitations and challenges of generative AI. With generative AI, there are some significant limitations and challenges. One of the main concern is the bias in data. If AI is trained on biased data, it can be perpetual inequality in its output. It also struggles with creativity and originality, often remixing existing ideas instead of producing truly novel content. Furthermore, AI lacks deep contextual understanding, leading to irrelevant or inappropriate responses at times. Ethically, the potential misuse of AI for deepfake and misinformation is alarming. The conceptualization cost of training these models is also immense, raising concern about the sustainability. Finally, safety and control are critical as AI can sometimes generate harmful or unpredictable content. Addressing these challenges require continuous effort to ensure AI is used responsibly. At the last, in the closing, generative AI is undeniably reshaping the landscape of creative work, offering us new possibilities, but also challenging us to rethink the very nature of creativity, authorship, and ethics. As creators, technologists, and policymakers, we have the responsibility to guide this evolution thoughtfully, ensuring that human imagination remain at the heart of art and culture. Generative AI holds immense potential to transform various industries and aspects of our lives, but embracing its capabilities while addressing ethical consideration, we can harness its power for good. So you have to adopt new situation, new technology, which is AI. Transform yourself using AI to stay competitive in this era. Let us be proactive, stay curious, and shape a future where humans and AI work together to unlock new possibilities. Thank you for your attention. I hope to live up to the expectations and contribute meaningfully to the discussion today. Thank you.